Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's his next move? Let's find out in the chart, shall we? Oh my goodness. Well, what could I say? You know what? I'm gonna play something for you.
Rough air ahead. We're in for some chop.
Yeah, exactly. We're in for some serious chop, and you've already had some serious chop. Oh my goodness, you saw just yesterday it dumped down, and yeah, we're gonna talk about that and more in today's episode. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the 5x5 staying alive here in Dubai. How you doing, guys out there? Oh wow, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's not a lot happening, right, on a daily basis for the average person, right? They're like, oh, this is a mess here. We're not passing the third above 30,000 since forever. It's like practically a stable coin. Stable coin with $1,000 swings. Oh damn, yes I know, I cracked myself up. I'm having too much fun. I mean, come on. You gotta enjoy life. You gotta be happy, or else, because if you're going to like be sad about whatever's going on in life, you'll always find whatever sad is going on in life. But if you decide to find what's good, right, you'll always be happy. So do that. All right, so that's what I'm doing. And hey, you know what? I got some happy news for you, guys. If you're sitting around wondering, okay, how can I just, join something and make some money? Well, I got you. I got your back. We're gonna be doing ByBit's World Series of Trading. So if you're interested in joining, just join our group, right? Here, I'll show you right here. If you head in the links in the description below, right, you just head over to click on this link, the WSOT.davincij15.com. That's WSOT.davincij15.com. And once again, you could click there, and you could also get paid. Just even if you don't trade, right? Just sign up, create an account at ByBit, and be part of our group. I really appreciate it. Like, if you sign up today, right, and join in, because I'm going to be trading heavily during this contest. I'm going to be clearing my schedule, clearing. No outings, no parties, no nothing. Just me going out and making sure that you guys get paid by trading this huge event. All right, with that said, let's move on to trading. As you can see, Bitcoin, man. Oh, if we go down to let's go to not to the minute, to the hourly. Yeah, we were getting chopped about here. I told you guys that this was most likely going to happen, right? We saw, another pennant within a pennant here. Wouldn't be surprised if it came back down to the lower part of the bigger pennant, and there it is, right? If you didn't miss the smaller pennant, let me just draw it out for you, right? Where we were close to breaking it anyways, right? So once we just broke to the downside, and there you go, boom. Right, so you could have traded that a little bit, because you had some room to get to to any of the support levels, right, which I pointed out here in the last episode. So if you did that, congratulations, right? Now, looking to the future, looking forward, you can see what I see is obviously a nice little W happening here on the hourly. So yeah, you can definitely have a trade there, but you got to be careful, of course. Markets, when you're trading against the trend, you know what the trend is, you have to accept that this could reverse on you very, very easily. So make sure that whatever trade you make, that you accept that the losses could come in, and this thing could reverse on you and wipe you out. So if you do take this trade, right, the entry point, I'd say about here, you would ignore that wick there as well. And then, and just go, okay, let's see here. I'm gonna take a stop loss right here. I'm gonna let me just make this a little bit bigger for you guys, and just hide the indicators, zoom in on here. Right, and then let's make this thing happen. There we go. So if we take it to the knob stop, this is called a knob stop because you're supposed to actually put it way down there, right? But if it's like it's greater than 2%, I like to that's not 2%. So I guess you can go a little bit further, all the way to this stop right here. You can stop it right there because that's almost 2% right there. So that's good enough. And then we could take it to the 2 to 1. But actually what happens, I just forgot, right? What happens is the market on these things, on these pumps, this target is always 100% from the lower point, right? So you're always going to get right up to that point. So you're going to have to, like, if you want to get a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, you have to move your stops to 50% so that it's almost 2 to 1. So it makes it the 2 to 1. So you have to move your stops here, unfortunately, so that you risk your risk to reward ratio. Meaning that you're always going to win twice as much as you're going to lose, should you make any particular trade. So make sure that all your trades are 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, so that if you win 2 times, right, the second time you lose, you're still in profit, right? If you win once or lose once, you're still in profit. So this is why you want a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so with that said, that's the trade, right? That's what we're looking at. So you could always buy in right here and take the risk and get some more our risk to reward ratio. But keep in mind that doesn't mean that this trade will actually be executed as planned. Okay, let's once again talk about my my event that I'm going to be speaking at the blockchain economy in Turkey. So if you guys want to, if you have a chance to come down to Turkey, right, you can also head over to see in the links in the description. Whoops, the link for the blockchain economy in Istanbul, and a discount code of 15% if you buy any tickets there. So make sure that you take advantage of that 15% discount today. Okay. Let's head over to Ethereum and see what's going on there. And you know what? I feel like we need to see what Rockin Brainer has to say about all this nonsense going on here, and see what that indicator is saying. It's probably getting chopped a lot here, but let's give it a shot and see what happens. Oof, brutal. It is a brutal situation with this. Let's see if we can change the to Hakanachi candles, because that helps reduce all the noise if we do that. And there is a little bit of a reduction in the noise, but not a whole lot. So usually ranging markets, you might want to stay away from using the Rockin Brainer, or use other indicators alongside of it, because no indicator is going to give you 100% signals that are signals that work 100% of the time. So if we move it up to the 4 hour, let's see if this works even better. Yes, you can see we are getting cleaner signals here that allows us to, trade less, right? And, profit more. That's what you want, right? You want to be able to trade less and profit more. So there it is, right? A little bit of signals here. These signals work. This one sort of worked, right? Depending on when you took the profits. And then this one is still reading red, so I'm indicating that, hey, you know what, Ethereum might go further down. And looking at the 13 EMA, that's what it's saying. And the 13 EMA is saying, yeah, man, we are dead in the water here, and there's nothing we can do about it. So if you're interested in the Rockin Brainer indicator, you want to get a hold of it, you can head over to payments.rockinbrainer.io today and subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to turn that off and head over to and see what else, how we could trade this, what's the situation here. Honestly, I'm concerned about this downward movement. I think we've gone, like I've talked about it before, right? We have overextended ourselves, and on top of that, right, this downward movement is moving up on the indicators. The indicators are going up, the price is going down. That smells like something is brewing with a huge push to the upside. So I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum fakes you out, heads to the downside, and then heads straight up, right, in this next move. So I would be concerned about taking a short here. I think it's a little bit too late to jump in a short. I think the long is the better play, because you can see here we are moving in an upwards direction, right? At least on the candle bodies, here on Ethereum since the lows here. So the lows of 1730. So I really have concerns that, hey, any kind of move down will be a fake out. So keep that in mind. And I'm thinking of just, setting up some buy orders down in here at the anything below 1740-ish area, and just buy it, and then take the stop loss below the $1,700 or $1,700 level. So that's where I'm looking to actually get some Ethereum, and then holding it as it runs, probably up to the $2,200 or $2,200 level is where I see Ethereum headed to. Okay, so anyways, if you're interested in NFTs, head over to nftshill.io. I'm a part of this group. We're going to be changing things a little bit up here. We're going to make this all about, people who want NFTs, whether you're a collector or a creator. Basically, you'll have a place to find and view your NFTs and share your NFTs with everyone. Whether you're a collector or a creator, you'll be able to share and show off your NFTs with NFT Shill. Okay, so let's take a look at crypto bubbles. Oof, geez, well, it's a little bit of green, not a lot, mostly red, which is normal, right? We're not in a bull market anymore. Don't expect green everywhere. It's going to be red everywhere for the long haul. So be prepared for a brutal winter. Winter is here. Looking at the the dominance is taking a rest because it's been on a tear, so it has to take a rest. So don't be surprised if we break below the 13 EMA and then come back maybe to the 45% percentile. If you haven't exited your positions, that would be the time to exit your positions. Because it's going higher. You can say, well, maybe it might. I can hold on to hope. Yeah, you're gonna hold on to your bags, right? Just like little bubble until all-time lows. And if you haven't heard that song, I'm gonna find that video and then put it in the description because it's funny. It's a good one from Little Bubble. So make sure you learn how to trade properly the alts by heading over to davincicodes.net/videos, where you can get free videos on how to trade the little lady style and make some more Bitcoin, because you want more Bitcoin in the end. And why is that? Because Bitcoin's real, Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Thanks for watching.